Hey y'all, it's Mike Wall. So my parents got a pool at their house for us to enjoy during the summer out here. This year we just got a little cheap one on clearance just to get the water cleared up because they have well water out here. That is the well house right there. Whenever we fill up a glass or water bucket or anything, it comes out really clear. You can't really see any particles in there or anything. But then once it sits for a little while, it turns orange. And then if you add chlorine to it or anything, it turns black, I would say, and then you don't even want to get in the water. We tried so many chemicals, anything, everything. And then I came across another video on YouTube about a homemade filter with a 5-gallon bucket and some polyfill that they use to stuff animals. You know, stuff teddy bears and stuff like that. And then I actually happen to have some extra pool parts just to hook up a hose to the bucket and make it a little easier. So I just made that filter, and then within a day and a half, it was clear water. Now we have awesome new pool water. It's nice to swim in, very beautiful. You'll see the pictures and the video and all that good stuff. So hope this helps someone out there, and just for y'all to see my experience and our experience with it. Peace out.